Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. So today is Friday and I'm going to be filming like a weekend vlog till maybe like Monday because I've got a few bits planned this weekend. So yeah, today's Friday. I've got work today 11 till 4, but I think I'm going to go to the gym beforehand. What time is it now? It's 8 now, so I've got a bit of time before I go to work. And then tonight I'm having all my friends round and we're having like a fajita night, which will be nice. I've woke up with like the sorest throat and like really bad dry mouth, almost like I'm hungover, but I've not been drinking. So yeah, I'm gonna make some breakfast. Oh, all the lights just decided that's better. I look more awake now. So yeah, I'm gonna make some breakfast. You are my stalker. I'm watching you. Oh. Yeah, I've been watching You at the moment. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. You're so on edge all the time, but it's really good. I would really recommend it. So I'm all ready for the gym now. I don't think I'm going to film my workout just because I need to do it quick before work. I've got everything ready for when my friends come. So I've got chicken, all the veg ready, wraps and rice, and then in the fridge I've got all the cheese and dips done and guacamole. I just need to put the pulled pork in. So yeah, I'm all ready.
I am 24. I work down the road. And why is it not me on me anymore?
Oh, sorry.
You can just see the reflection of... Oh no, that's not on the lens, is it? That's not me filmed.
Yeah,
no, it's not. We can see ourselves in this bit.
Oh, from the window.
Why can you see yourself so close? Yeah, we're in the window. Oh, it's so snowy. This is a condom. This is me.
God, it is actually coming down quite bad.
Maybe we should call it a night.
Is that Casey?
Oh, Casey, why are you going that way?
Oh, Casey's calling me. Hello?
If you're gonna go, I'm going now because the roads are pretty bad.
Is that real fire?
Bam!
That's fake. Is that real fire?
It's real. Yeah. It's gas.
It's not real.
It's gas. Put your hand in it.
Go and put it in. That'll be right good content.
I'm not drink.
Wait, no, I don't. Do it, it'll be funny. How big are your nipples?
It's stuck. Oh.
Next question.
Are your eyebrows real?
Are yours real? Are yours real?
How many languages can you count to 10 in?
7.
Do it.
No, Ocho, that's not 8. No, but not in that language that I was doing.
What were you doing?
I'm doing Spanish.
So,
What was I doing?
Ocho's not 8.
Yeah, no, Ocho isn't 8.
No,
What
it's
is
not.
8 then?
Ocho, not in...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9.
What?
Hang on. This will be good if you put sad music to it. Does anybody here have their own business?
I do.
I don't.
Who does your hair?
Georgia.
Oh, Georgia, do you have a business?
Oh, I think so.
Oh yeah, what are them new extensions on?
That you take a little slice of the hair, put one underneath, and then there's hair in between. So you like when you do like your highlights, so you take that like sort of section, and then you stick the other one on top.
Use code Megan20 for 20% off.
That's a joke.
You're sorry, people
Hi, Megan20.
So what's that sauce you put?
Biscuit.
What do you think it looks like, Reese?
It looks alright.
Reese is my biggest fan. Where is Reese?
He's got he on the wings, got on the brake shirt on.
Just stop eating grass. From a very, very long walk, got absolutely drenched. I think Becky's Fitbit thing said, Apple Watch said we did something like 4.1 miles. We went like up all the hills, did 17,000 steps already, and it's only, what time are we on? 1:30. 13 kilometres, active for 109 minutes, and so far today I've been 2,100 calories. This is like exactly what I need. I don't put my laptop on there anymore because honestly the amount of times I've got in, slipped and my laptop almost went flying, so I just don't trust it. So I've put some bubbles in, but I'm going to put a bath bomb in. This is from Lush. I'm not sure which one it is because the label got wet and like all rubbed off, but I got it for Christmas from my mum, so I'm going to use it now. Oh, it's going to turn it a really nice blue colour. Can't swear a leak. Because I'm doing dry January, I thought I'd try this non-alcoholic gin from Sainsbury's. And it's actually really, really nice. Almost the same.
Shot City, coming home again.
Ah, is it by Coldplay?
Yeah, I like to blow trees and from nowhere off. Niggas come from out of town, I like to straighten up their head, cause you know they soft. Don't get out all wrong. I guess you never heard that when I was back home. Every interview I'm representing you, making you proud. Reach for the stars, so if you fall in love,
Alexa, volume 4. Alexa, play Now You're Gone by Bass Hunter on Spotify.
Now You're Gone, radio edit by Bass Hunter from Spotify.
Alexa, play Black Skinhead by Kanye West on Spotify.
Play stereo. Oh, that's not Alexa. I was just talking to her.
Shh, you'll do as you're told.
The guitars are very new, can't
Yeah, I like them. What is somnambulism? Somnambulism. Where you can't hear songs.
In which month is Tour de France usually held?
Pause!
What are you doing, woman?
Okay.
Which James directed both Titanic and Avatar?
Oh, my brain isn't working. James McAvoy. No!
I'll have to take you first.
No, that's the guy from Split.
Yeah.
James.
It's too late. I said Bastille straight after mine and it was wrong, so no way.
I hope I'm right now, you know, I'm gonna lose this car now and be savage.
Well, then-
James Cameron.
Yeah.
Oh, that really hurts.
You know what I'm saying, yeah? You go down to the end. I'll clean up, mate, don't worry, I'm cleaning up out of 12.
Luke can do it. I can't do it.
Shows and shrugs, trees on Fridays.
Sorry.
Trees on Fridays.
Cheese on
No,
Fridays.
chosen. Uno, dos, tres.
Yearly played a ukulele.
Yearly played a ukulele. Shirley.
Yearly.
Yearly. Lurley.
Yuri.
Yurley.
Yuri.
Yorley.
Yuri.
Yuri.
Yes.
I
got hers now.
She's got a big gob.
Nobody knows how Joe thinks his name.
I got all.
3, 2,
It's such a
1.
good game, this.
Fleecy geese have fleecy face.
Yes, you want fleecy fleece.
Yeah, she's kept it.
Egg.
What?
Dig.
No.
Go again, Megan.
Egg. Egg.
Pig. Pig.
Egg.
Leaf.
Dick.
Dick. Dig.
Dick, in what?
Egg.
Big.
Right, everyone put that in right now and try to say big.
Big.
Cannot say it. It doesn't work, does it? Your mouth does not make that sound. Egg.
Dig.
Dick. Hey, Dick.
Dig.
Egg.
Hey.